Today on this episode of Joy Clean Ghana campaign, we're back at the Agboblushi market. Now, have you wondered if you bought wachi on the road, if you bought rice on the road, if you bought, any meal that you might have bought from a vendor who was hawking, most likely would have come from this place. And so we're here this morning to try and assess the conditions under which they cook this food for public consumption, because there are hundreds if not thousands of people whose daily meal are cooked from here. So where are you beginning from? Okay, we're beginning from here.
Start from this woman. Okay. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
How are you? Juma ora no ai. Aja mbachopra.
So Mr. Korea is just summoning the owner of this particular spot.
You're from the garden, from AMA. Oh, your friend was I?
Zainab.
Your friend was I? Zainab. Oh, nipa hina odi Juma wa. Oni nipa hina ye Juma wa. 2. Good. Oni nyina oh AMA karata no ama otumi say ye to do any money ban oh bi. Wan kasa oh bi.
Ya ye bi ba se. Awu ana se.
Awu. Adanti na won koye runiwa.
Ni na me koy. Ana se ana me ba.
Wan kasa wo ni bi, so it means that ankwara no so mu ni bi. And secondly, baby awu ye adwuma no, un say gata bi wa ha. Uni pata wa ha, so that at least ubetima cover so that once I am back inside. That's Oko hospital as I are any door so. Any sickness. Onya wo duani a ye bebia ye prepare duani no oho anya fan a na o yusu sika akoto duani a abama wo yare what you say bebia wo wi duani no eye ana say anye wan kasa ka kire bebia wo no ya duani no hwe das no enu wansa in the first place who need to me say obey duani without AMA character no unibi. They say driving license. Ukuta car. Now we need driving license. Police stop us say driving license wa here. Over kaze. Ombacho. So in the hona na ma wa ha say but todu ani wo ho. But no adu ani. O wan kaza na o sore obaya ujuma wa. Hona na ma o tumi. Ka kire.
Yo sho han.
Hona na sho.
Mesi one na aka eje na on na ewo mochi no.
Woman way. Man. Mother.
She's just pointing us to somebody who she says is a caretaker here.
I no kure there. Ya wa so many years into many simo kan into mabaka kire omo say mfo no say sisi na Ghana ayefi aya no kure aboa enti nim card koye card we no so bebia wonu ede ne so ye ne ho need by all means amobeba suspect be mo ye because mo ye do na ye didi yes sir I didn't know yare de eba mo enti mababa ka kire mo ni na beginning san mo so mo ye de mo ba ye no.
This is where they mill the tomatoes.
The tomatoes, pepper, and mbajo biesu.
We'll come back to this. So we're gonna go and see the mill. So this is a corn mill. This is a tomato mill.
How are you? Can you off your machine so that we can talk? So what do you do here?
Okay, I am doing pepper and.
Come again.
I am pepper and tomatoes.
Pepper and tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is it? Is it pepper or is tomato?
This one is what?
The cassava.
Cassava.
Yeah.
Oh, then add cassava to it. It's not only pepper and tomatoes. You are granted cassava at the time of our inspection. Now, look at this place. When was the last time you tidy up this place? You cleaned this place? When was the last time you cleaned here? Tell us.
Okay, maybe last week Sunday I cleaned here.
Last week Sunday.
Yeah.
Look at the ground. You're supposed to tile here, do concrete, and tile this place so that the place will be nice.
You see?
I'm the master.
You are the master. Oh, then it's good.
Officer, please come here.
Oh, what is even this? What is this?
It's a bed.
It's a bed.
Yeah.
So it's a cage for what, birds?
And look at their droppings, their feces.
Or be run away. No, it be maize.
Maize you give them.
Yeah, be run away.
No,
Come down.
This is food house. You are not supposed to rear animals in food house. This is a kitchen. Don't you know that to bring about contamination? Hmm? So we'll close you down. You renovate the place nicely before we allow you to operate. Yes. So you remove the head of the so we'll take it to the office. Anytime you renovate the place to our satisfaction, then we'll release the head for you. The officer who is here at least has been doing his best to ensure that there is sanity in this place. Sometimes we do come to do a screen up exercise for them. You understand? And looking at the conditions here, for me, for the first time, I think that there's a need for us to close down the place temporarily for the owner to ensure that they renovate the place, because I realize that the owner is using it as a business venture. You understand? So when you rent it to people and you are making money and you are not making the place conducive enough for them to cook, we need to close down the place so that when they renovate the place and the place is conducive, then we will allow them to operate.